A quick view of the new flight bar prototype that we're playing with right now. Just kind of want to spin it around here in its 3D and let you take a look at it and tell me what you think. So it's basically just like any other stick grip. It's got the standard stuff you'd expect. Over here on the left-hand side is what we've initially decided would be a flap switch, but you can use it for whatever. This the switch that we've spec'd for it has either off in the center with on and on going up and down, or it can be on, off, momentary on, which is what's commonly used for a lot of systems that already have a flap controller in it. Here in the center is a hat switch, 4-directional. This is actually an industrial controller we're using. And then over here on the right side, this is a switch from a company called Otto that happens to make some really beautiful stick grips as well. But they sell their buttons independently, and so that's what we're using there. It's a button that's stiff enough you wouldn't be able to just accidentally bump it. You actually have to press to get it to work. Then around here you can kind of see the push-to-talk switch, which is put in the trigger position, which is pretty traditional. And then over here is really the interesting thing. This is our rotary encoder knob. You can click it by pushing in on the outside, or you can roll it to scroll forward or backward through a setting. So that's what's shown in another video I just posted a few minutes ago. The current design is set for 3D printing. It's maybe possible to switch it over to doing something a little bit more industrial scale using something else, but it would have to be redesigned, as this won't come out on a injection mold system. And just to kind of quickly turn on and off a couple of things, I'll show you if I hide the right half inside. You see there's actually a channel which allows a wire to be run all the way down and out. And then here's our encoder board controller. So that's how we actually interface. This has a Bluetooth radio on it, a little power conversion module, and it ties to ship's power. And it's the only wired connection you need, is just the ship's power connection. And then you simply go in and associate it in the app just the way you would with our flight bar. Very simple Bluetooth low energy, or BLE configuration. So put that right half back on. There we go. Kind of walk around a little bit further. The current version, this hole you see in the bottom, is 7/8 of an inch, which is what the RV6A I own uses. We can probably either adjust it on different models to fit specific posts, or we can put an adapter in place. The handrest that you see here looks a little odd, but believe it or not, and it's shaped from my hand, so it may be that it's a bit awkward for other people, but it's really comfortable. You can set your hand in there and basically supports it. So that's the quick and dirty overview of the thing. If you have questions, please let me know.